Brandon
with SMW 3D and soon to be Hobby-Fab.
We'll be going through a rebranding soon, but more on that later. We wanted to show a few things that we've been working on here at the shop. Some of them are pretty exciting. We'll show a few videos about that here in just a second, but right now Lauren has some kind of exciting news for all our makers out there.
We have decided to honor all of our hardworking dads out there this Father's Day, and we are raffling off our very own aux CNC router. You can buy a raffle ticket for $5 at smw3d.com, or there's another way you can enter the raffle that doesn't cost you anything at all, and Brandon has more details on that.
Lauren's right. There is a nice way to win this, and for free. We want to see your builds. SMW 3D is in kind of a cool spot with all the different things we carry with the E3D hot ends and CNC accessories and open builds, aluminum. Just we have about everything one needs for a build. We want to see a few cool builds that we host on our website. Send us your bone, quick YouTube video of what your machine is. Anything will work. CNC plasma cutter or CNC router, 3D printer, foam cutter. If it has a nice little bomb put together with it and they're SMW 3D products, we're going to take and we're going to put you into the entry to win this. But in addition to that, there's the opportunity to be one of our featured builds. We want to make it to where people in the community that build these types of machines have easy access to large bundles. That's what the aux is. That's exactly where it came from. Made it real easy to just push a button and build it. So that's the easy part of it. They can see those details that Lauren is talking about for a much broader explanation, and we hope to see more information from you. Let's go check out some of the new stuff SMW 3D is doing. First one I want to show you guys is CNC Control box. We've been working on this for, well, on and off about 2 years. This is something that came from the need for our CNC customers to easily control their machines in a mountable box that reduces wire clutter and connections. This will make it real easy with your aux and your R7 kits. You'll basically be able to plug and play, get started right away. We have about 100 hours on this beta unit. We have another one out with one of our customers right now for beta testing. He and I and both SMW 3D are really happy with everything this thing is doing right now. Give you some of the specs. We got 4 amp drivers on 4-axis. We've also ran it in 3-axis simulations, such as with the Open Builds desktop machine. We got 110 outlets that are SSR controllable. That basically means through G-code you'll be able to turn these on and off. It's capable of running our VFD and our DC spindles. We're working through G-code right now. I've got a little bit more PWM cleanup to do to make this M3S code match the actual spindle RPM. And of course we'll have your Z probe in there as well. Price points we're running right now, looking at around $350 to $500, depending on what configuration it is that the client needs. This right now is currently running on Gerbil. It's looking like we'll be able to also run a tiny G in here, and there's rumors floating around that we may be able to run a Mach 3, Mach 4 controller in here as well. We got filtered air in and out, which is pretty nice. We've ran a bunch of MDF around it with no issues. We've not found any ingestion whatsoever. Nice mountable format, as I mentioned, and it's possible, I can't make any promises to you guys yet, but it's possible that I'll be able to get the plasma set up with this. I know a few of you guys may have seen that I've been messing around with the R7 having a plasma attachment. So again, be looking for this on SMW 3D here real soon. Next one I wanted to show you guys was the Boxer. It's a 3D printer that we hope to come out with. Final production probably end of the year, so there'll be, just like all things we do, a few beta units that go out. Eric Lean helped me design this. It's a very, very super sturdy 3D printer. Maybe a little too sturdy in certain points, but 12 inch by 12 inch bed, 12 inch depth, 3.5 inch color screen, ran on Smoothie, or really I hadn't seen a controller that we don't have a whole configuration set up for or can put in the machine. heated bed is ran off of 120 volt SSR. So far it's been a great machine. You'll have to excuse if this one's a little beat up and messy. I take it to work with me on different occasions, and it's well traveled and beat up and been hacked about 100 times. But that's what we had to do to get to a final design that everybody really liked and enjoyed. So hopefully we'll see more about this one soon. Last one I was going to show you guys today is the Open Builds C-beam plate maker. Great little machine. It really needs no introduction as long as you're into the open hardware, Open Builds scene, follow them. You've seen this machine before. A lot of fun. They got some great videos on how to build it and such. We'll be carrying it soon as well. We have made some minor little changes here and there, just stuff we do. Anybody's ever picked up one of our products, you can see the little differences, subtle changes, things we make. One of the things we did is changed all the corner brackets as 90s. We remachined a new set of 52mm clamps, so it'll handle the 300 watt and 400 watt. Maybe put an 800 watt on there. I better not do that. It does come with the spindle clamp stock that holds a 71mm DeWalt, I believe, router. Besides that, not many other changes with it. Just a fun little build. We'll be carrying it for our guys that don't have the room for an R7 or an Ox. You're looking for something. Thanks.